you planning to visit Dooars in this holiday? If yes, then it's fine, and if no, then you should change your other plan and visit this wonderful natural region. But before that, what's your plan of staying at Dooars? Well, if you haven't thought about it, then just remember the name Resort Trimurti. Resort Trimurti, we are one of the finest and top resorts in Lataguri, providing sumptuous hospitality and accommodation. Relish the best moment of the nature with our facilities. Regular laundry service, LED TV, free Wi-Fi, car parking, running water supply, tea/coffee maker, room service, Multi-Cuisine Restaurant, doctor on call, Banquet Hall, conference hall, marriage ground. Places to visit nearby: Bindu, the quaint village in Dooars; Chalsa, the queen of Dooars; Jhallong, the impressive stream; Murti for the mesmerizing scenic beauty; Rocky Island, the famous camping site; Samsing for the amazing sight of the landscape; Suntalekhola for brilliant views of the nature. Now, we are sure that you will stay with us during your visit at Dooars. The doors of Resort Trimurti are always opened for you. Contact us.